last time we came to Skidaway State Park was in October 2014, and the weather was so much nicer. It is very hot and muggy and buggy here. Plus, Tybee Island is not dog friendly at all, and it's like $8 for 2 hours to park, but everything in Savannah was super dog friendly. A lot of the shops let the dogs in and cool off and everything. Even in the evening it was pretty muggy and hot, but yeah, I think next time we come here it might be in the fall or in the spring. The summer is kind of yucky. Look, got attacked by bees. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on, let's see. Bee, 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 bee. Come on, take it off. Come on. Oh, it's not that bad.
It's probably gonna get.
Alrighty then. We got everything.
I think so.
We're leaving our Skidaway Island beach.
It smells like chicken nuggets.
It does. Somebody opened something back in the back.
It smells like chicken nuggets. For some reason the freezer smells like chicken nuggets.
Alright. Now we gotta go take a dump. To the dump station. To the dump station. To the dump, dump, dump. Where we have the expert dumper.
Turn right, then turn left.
Mm-hmm. There it is, right there. Huh. Is that it? No, that's not the dump station.
The dump's that way.
The dump.
Turn left onto Skidaway Island State Park. Then turn left onto State Park Road.
Just follow that sign. Why did I follow the sign?
Dump station.
It's next to the garbage.
Dump station. Dump station. Camper cabin.
At the stop sign, turn left onto State Park Road. Then turn left.
That's a nice.
Is there somebody at the dump?
Probably.
Proceed to the route.
I think so.
Oh yeah, there's always people at the dump. The dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump.
They were at the dump earlier too.
Turn left, then turn left.
Turn left, then turn left.
Corn fused. Corn buzzed. Oh, there's two people at the dump station.
Turn left, then turn right onto Skidaway Island State Park. At the stop sign, turn left onto State Park Road.
Alrighty.
We
Let's hope all these people don't take their sweet Mary time. Welcome to Florida! Woo! There is
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Jolibee,
Wait, this isn't a parking lot.
home of the Chickenjoy.
No.
Man, it does look busy.
Luke said rip off of KFC.
Nope, not slightly.
Yeah, that's how you know you're.
Jolibee. Hey Luke, what stung you this morning? Was it a Jolibee?
Yeah.
Or an angry bee?
Not jolly.
Jolibee.
This is sorry, I didn't get the fries. I didn't realize that.
Ooh, chicken and gravy and fries and rice, of course.
I think they always give you fries and everything.
Of course, we gotta have. What is it? Piscetti? Chickenjoy.
I should have not eaten those peanuts.
And what did you get? What did you get?
Pancit palabok.
Pancit Palabo. Antoine is feeling nostalgic. We are sassified. Jolibee, USA, here in Jacksonville, Florida. Home of the famous Chickenjoy. Chickenjoy. This is our home in Fort Pierce, Florida. Another nice big private bathroom shower. Pretty cool.